Hey guys, so today we are going to cover how you can import your IGTV templates or your IG story templates using the InShot app. Now, because we have the amazing new IGTV or Instagram TV, if you don't know, definitely see how you can incorporate this into your content strategy because it is an awesome tool. I'm excited, so I'm tripping over my words. But yeah, if you're interested in connecting with us and seeing how we do this, definitely stay tuned. So this is for if you are not tech savvy. So this is for the non-tech savvy people who don't want to get into their computers. I find it easy to do in my computer, but I also use this a lot when I'm not using my computer. And also for the people who just, aren't into editing and resizing things, this is pretty simple and pretty easy as well. So you definitely want to try this. If the other options have not worked for you, if you don't want to get into Final Cut Pro, don't want to use iMovie, and you have your videos in your phone and you've recorded in landscape and you just want to switch it around so that you can use it inside of Instagram. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is how to get your video in there. So make sure you have your video on your phone. I'm working with an iPhone. I'm not sure if this app has the same built inside of the Android app, but I'm working on an iPhone. I just thought I'd mention that so that, if you aren't using an iPhone, you're aware that this is done on an iPhone. I believe it can also be done on an Android as well because the process is basically the same. Right? So the first thing you do is make sure you have the InShot app, and I will link that down below. I'll link information on it down below. So make sure you check out the description box, because my description box always has awesome stuff, especially if you are creating video content. If you're an online coach, you have an online business, that is what I teach. I teach you how to maximize your presence online through amazing video and visual content. You don't want to miss that out. Head down in the description box to check out more about that. So the second thing you want to do is after you've downloaded that app, you want to have the video on your phone, right? So we are going to hit create new video. And it's going to open up all of your videos. So I'm going to choose a video that I definitely filmed in landscape, one of my videos from my YouTube channel that I'm going to repurpose. What's going to happen is InShot is going to open in a template that is default, but you want to change the size of that because this is not the size of your IGTV template. So you want to hit canvas first, and then you want to make sure you change it to the size of your screen. My screen is a 5.5, and you'll see that I hit that down below. Now you want to make sure that you head onto this slider right here and pull it all the way up. That way you don't have a background. Now you're also able to pinch and zoom in and move around your template just to make sure that you're getting exactly what you want. For this, I want them to get the information. I don't really care for them to see the background. So I want them to get the information and get what I'm saying. And so I'm going to make sure that I am centered. So make sure whatever you want your video to be focused on is centered because we're creating a vertical video. So keep that in mind. Now, you also want to make sure that that you select that check so that you're all set there. And you want to make sure you hit play. Perfect. Let me get a better face there. Perfect. Everything seems to be fine. In this video, I am sitting in this position all the time, so I should be in shot, like the app is named. So I should be in shot for the entire video. And then I am just going to hit export, save. But I want to show you another way that you're able to do this. Now, this is for the people that don't want that full vertical video. What you can do is you can head over to background. When you head to background, they're going to ask you to probably put an image in there. When I hit image, I'm going to make sure that I get into this album of all of my, this is where I put all of my work content. So I created these templates in Over, which is another app. I'll be sure to create some more videos about that as well because I love the Over app. I've been using it for many years. And so I've created a vertical background in there that says exactly what I want it to say, right? And then I'm still able to put my full video. So I'm going to head back into Canvas, make sure the video is exactly where I want it to be, right? So that way we can show the full video. And so I'm going to hit check. And that way I'm able to have words, like let's say I want to have something at the top that says what the video is about. And then I want to have, how you can find me or follow me. And me, I love my branding to have my face on it so you know exactly who you are dealing with, right? So, yeah. And then you make sure it plays. And yes, it's playing. So this can definitely go up into your IG stories and IGTV as well. You're just going to be in full frame, which is fine as well, but your entire template is still vertical. So that's it, guys. So if you want to upload a full video, this is an easy way to do it. Like I said, I'll upload, quick tutorial on Over. It's pretty simple as well. I have so much more to share about Over, about Canva, just about using these free tools so that you create an amazing presence online and you're able to also supplement for your website, your branding all around, your visual presence, because that's what I am really passionate about speaking about. Or sharing about or teaching about. And so, yeah, so this is pretty simple and I hope this is really helpful. Like I said, you could use it for IG stories and IGTV as well, only using your phone. That's all I used here. So I will connect with you guys pretty soon. Make sure and check out the description box for more information about the things that I spoke about in this video. And turn on your notifications if you haven't subscribed us yet. Yep, so subscribe, turn on your notifications, and share with somebody who really needs it. I will definitely connect with you guys soon. Take care.